This is a new design, 3D hologram fan for Christmas or Halloween. It looks like a ball, so we call it a Christmas ball. For this model, we have 32cm hologram fan inside, and the front cover is transparent, so we can see the 3D video very clearly. The back cover is in red. It supports an app to upload and change the content by your mobile phone. And here is a hole to hang it on the Christmas tree or some public places like shopping mall or coffee shop to attract people and create an atmosphere. Now, let's see the effects together.